All right. Good morning. It's like 8:30, 8:40. Hold on, probably a lie. I think it's like 9 o'clock now. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Just woke up, and then the bike got delivered. The one that I'll be riding is right here. It's a Ninja 1000. What's so dope about this bike is it's sit up, so I'm not going to be like, you know, super sport bike. Check out the sights and all that, right? So yeah, this is absolutely dope. Perfect. So stock pipe's not going to be too loud, but I bet you it's still going to be pretty good. That'll be nice, I think. That's perfect. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. They're just getting everything set up. They did all the grading last night. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's really windy out here. Some bikers out here already. That's the main stage set up. Then they have like a bunch of venues and stuff. This bike was at the house. It's a 2-stroke apparently, and 2-strokes are no longer legal anymore here, so these are like rare. Kind of cool. This is how people ride around here. No helmets, no gear, no nothing. Oh man, it's crazy. All the lighting and stuff, so it'll be nice for tonight. The front of the house is going there, so that's where they control the lights and audio. And then we have the BMW booth set up right here. BMW came all the way up. They're going to show off their new bike, the GS310 and 310R, so that's really cool. There's other vendors coming too. What is this? Oh, Pirelli tire. And of course, everyone's looking at me. They didn't want to know the camera. You guys recognize these from yesterday, so they're gonna bring them here for the show at the 911 Carrera 4. And of course the Mustang. These things where I live, guys, are just crowd control, but out here they're really rare, especially the 5-liter. They only get the 5-liter GT, so these are really rare. Even though we see them everywhere back home, it's like a supercar to these guys. And of course the Porsche is always nice to see. All the cars here, man, I just don't recognize. So cool. That's a Ashcock Leland. She's sideways holding a bag, no helmet, no gear, not even holding on. The guy's just holding. Oh, now he puts his helmet on. Better late than never. Yeah, it's so funny for me, man.
Seems like he came to know that
yeah, he knows that I'm recording him. Yeah. Must put my helmet on for safety. And like, look at this truck like passing with bikes on. Look at us passing now. Like this is normal. Oh, it's so different for me. It's so different. This guy's going really slow, but we're gonna pass once it's clear. To India.
See?
Yeah, look at this. Insane. We have to brake on our own lane. Cars are coming right at you. And look at this. This van is like just oncoming traffic. Insane. It's so different out here.
At least he acknowledged.
our side of the road now. Look at this. Look at this scooter. What is he doing? Ay, ay, ay. It's so... Oh, this car now is in our lane. We can't even drive in our own lane.
There was a journalist. His name was Edward Green. He was in India in the year 2005 or 6, I guess.
Yeah.
So he gave a title to the auto drivers.
Yep.
You want to sit in a roller coaster? Just take a ride in an auto in Hyderabad.
And so everyone, those are those yellow little things right there, right? Those things?
Yeah, the yellow ones.
Yeah. So that's what he means by that. These little guys right here, rickshaws, tuk-tuks, whatever you want to call them.
We call them autos.
Yeah, they call them autos here. It's basically a taxi.
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at these cars on the wrong side of the road, and people are still coming. Guys, there's one thing, like, is the biggest shock for me is just everyone just drives wherever they feel like it. Especially on like the main roads too, even in Hyderabad, the city, people go the wrong way down the road because if there's a way, they make a way. Like, if the car can go there, they go there. So look at this guy in the very front. They're just chilling on some like bags of rice or something, or bread or corn or
vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah. So you can't see past this car. There we go. There you go. They're just resting on vegetables. That's how they drive, and that's okay. This is crazy, guys. Like, there's just pigs everywhere. The little autos everywhere. Cows. Just look at this cow right here. The cow is just chilling in the middle of the city. Look at this. There he is, doing his thing.
Freedom for animals.
I can't wait to get my GoPro on my bike out here. Look, they just drive right into you. He's laughing because this is normal, but to me this is insane. Yeah, it's so different.
Check out the cow in the road.
Oh yeah, the cow is just chilling in the middle of the road. They'd have cops blocking off the lane. They'd have like handlers to like keep him safe. There's a guy sleeping right here.
We call them speed breakers.
This guy's going the wrong way down the street, and that's okay. And there's bikes, guys. There's bikes everywhere. Like everywhere is a bike. Thousands of bikes everywhere. Even though they're all small CC, they are everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. This guy's just chilling in the road. These guys are walking on the road, no problem. This guy's gonna do a U-turn here. Ay, ay, ay. This guy's honking, but he's on the wrong side of the road. Now we're stuck here. Oh my god.
One after another.
Yeah. This bike here is gonna just drive into it, okay. Oh, we're a cop for once. My first time seeing a cop. First time. They do have cops here.
They do.
Oh my goodness. So if you came that close to a cop back home, you'd be in jail getting like a baton up your butt for sure. Oh yeah, that's dangerous. Like, that's assault with a vehicle right there. So is this Hyderabad right now? What is this?
No, this is Shamshabad.
Shamshabad? Okay.
We're just near to the airport.
This guy's honking. I don't even know what for. What do we do? Everyone honks here a lot too. Hey, I noticed. Beep, 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 beep. Everyone just honks. So Robin's taking me to, where are we going?
Have breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast, some authentic Indian breakfast, which is nice. And this is traffic, guys, right here. As you can see, there's no lane markings. Just, if you fit, you go. This guy's just changing lanes into a bus. It's so different, guys, to me. Cops just chilling right there. Look at this. Like, where are we? That's a cop right there, police. Okay, made a U-turn, we're okay, we're still good.
Least bothered.
Yeah, right in front of us. Like that was, yeah. So it's your job to go around them.
Yeah.
Back home, they would never do that. And if you did, you get a ticket for $200 for jaywalking if you get busted. This guy too, look at this guy. She has her kid in her arm too, doesn't even care. That's so crazy. No parking, everyone parks there. Oh my goodness. Look at the scooter. And these things are everywhere, everywhere. Oh, look at that X5. The X5, that's rare, hey? Alright, so we made it alive and well. They got all these posters of all the buildings. This one came up a lot when I was researching about Hyderabad. This one here, the Charminar, is very common. This one's a mosque. So hopefully we'll see some with the GoPro when we go riding around with the guys after the event. Oh yeah, so what is this called?
It's called idli.
Say again?
IDLY.
IDLY. And then we got some sauces, and then, all right, this is gonna be an experience for me. All right, guys, so we finished having the foods. I am good. I'm good. Oh, it's so bright outside. It's so warm already. It's only 10 o'clock, man. People everywhere. Trusty old Fiat. Thank you. Cool, Mercedes, there we go. Oh, there's a Tata right there. With no brake lights, no nothing. He's missing his lights. And we'll go left here into our, to go to the village. There's a phone store right there. You're gonna see if I can get a SIM card. This is like the busy street here. It's crazy, very, very busy. There you go, Mini Cooper. It's brand new. That's nice. Park here, just pick a spot, even though we're blocking people and stuff. It's awesome. It's crazy here. Try and get a SIM card from me. So in India, it's not like the United States or Canada. You walk in, pay some money, just get a SIM card. Here you have to give the ID, passport photo. It's so much work. So we're gonna try and put another line on his phone and see if I can't use it for like 10 days. But man, it's just it's so difficult here. So these beggars, I don't know if you see this lady here, the beggars come and they will lean on your window and just stare at you until you give them money, but we don't give them money, and then they just, they lean on your car, they stay with you until you drive away, and they'll hold on until you actually keep moving. It's so weird, so we have to lock the door so they don't break in, and it's really quite different here. So this lady's trying to get money as well. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. What is this called again?
It's a pan, meeta pan, sweet pan.
Oh yeah.
Meeta means sweet.
Do I have to open it up or something?
No, you can just eat it.
Even with this? The foil?
It's not a foil. It's actually silver wrapping. It's not a wrap also.
It's like silver.
It's original silver.
Very cool.
The way to eat it is you should just swallow take the whole thing into your mouth.
So the outside
on it.
Yeah.
Chew on it, and you should savor the.
So the outside you said is mint with and then the inside has sugar and rose petal and something else?
Coconut.
Coconut, that's right. It's so weird, guys, for me to eat this. It's so weird.